All right, today we're whipping up some tilapia in a lemon butter sauce. Look, first you're gonna start off by pat and dry that tilapia to remove all the moisture from the surface of the fish. Then I just kept it simple today, salt and pepper. You can add onion powder, garlic powder, whatever you want really. And I just sliced up an onion and some fresh parsley. We're gonna heat up some olive oil in the pan and drop that fish away from you so you don't get popped by the grease. Then you're just gonna cook it till it's golden brown on each side. Give it a nice flip. I dropped in a minced onion. You can use shallots. Cook them to their golden brown. Hit it with some white wine. You want to cook all that alcohol out and let it reduce. Once that's done, I added a stick of cold butter. Then I just turned the heat off and let the butter slowly melt in the pan. This will help it from getting really greasy. Hit it with some fresh parsley, some capers. Then I just gave that a nice mix. You can hit it with some salt and pepper at this point. Then I put some lemon juice in there. Threw that fish back inside. Gave it a nice baste. I had some more pieces and I added the sauce at the end. Yeah, so I'm basting here. And here you go is the rest of the tilapia. I poured that sauce on top. Then we're just going to plate it with some lemon. It's a really nice light meal. It's really good. You should try it.